Can you speak English more naturally with just 100 sentences a day? Welcome to day one of our 10-day English speaking challenge. Over the next 10 days, we are practicing 1,000 essential everyday sentences. Today, we are starting with 100 quick reactions and real conversation loops. Don't just listen, speak out loud with me. Copy my pronunciation and rhythm. Ready? Day one starts right now. Listen and repeat after me. I got it. Me too. Not yet. Call me. No way. Count me in. Same here. No worries. Never mind. Sounds good. Pardon me? Allow me. Take a rest. How sweet. It's done. Take this. Stay away. Finish it. All right. Bless you. Absolutely. It happens. No kidding. Not at all. Don't shout. Promise me. Come along. I disagree. Keep quiet. Next time. Of course. Sure thing. You got it. Look around. My pleasure. Go straight. Glad to help. Tell me more. Let's move on. What's up? Not much. You? How's it going? Can't complain. Are you ready? Almost ready. Is that so? That's what I heard. What happened? It's a long story. Whose turn is it? It's your turn. Are you sure? 100% sure. Why not? Let's do it. What now? Now we wait. Who is next? I think I am. Are you busy? A little bit. What's up? Are you alone? No, I'm with a friend. How are things? Everything is great. What do you do? I'm a software developer. Why do you ask? I'm just curious. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Do you have a minute? Sure, what's on your mind? Can you hear me? Yes, loud and clear. Is everything okay? Yes, don't worry. What do you think? It looks good to me. Do you need help? I'd appreciate that. Where are you going? Just heading home. What time is it? It's 3:30. How was your day? It was pretty busy. Do you have plans? Nothing special today. Can I ask a question? Go right ahead. What do you recommend? The coffee here is great. Are you coming? I'm on my way. Is it far from here? No, it's just around the corner. Did you get any message? Yes, I'm reading it. What do you recommend? The coffee here is great. Are you coming? I'm on my way. Is it far from here? No, it's just around the corner. Did you get any message? Yes, I'm reading it. Great job finishing day 1. But here is a real test. Can you say all 100 sentences automatically without listening to me? If you hesitated on even one, reply this video tomorrow. Keep practicing until every phrase comes out naturally. Please comment day 1 done below, hit subscribe, and I will see you in day 2.